Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you delete the recipient from your Remitly application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Remitly application, and after opening the Remitly application you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. But you just simply have to wait a bit and tap into this recipients option at bottom. Just simply tap there and then you can see all of the recipients that are saved into your application. You just simply have to select the recipient which you would like to delete. In my case, I'm selecting this Jack H into here. Now after going in there, you just simply have to tap to edit button into the top right corner. Tap to edit, and after that you just simply have to scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get to see this delete button into the left side. Tap to delete and tap to delete again in order to confirm, and this way you can easily remove or delete the recipient from your Remitly. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.